Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use trim function in Excel for multiple cells. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have some multiple cells with a different text with the extra spaces. So here I'm going to remove these extra spaces by using the trim functions. So simply select the cell, use the is equal to and just enter the trim and select the cell and drag with the mouse other cells. So you just drag with the mouse and select the multiple cells here in Excel. Okay. Here you can see the A3 to C3 here selected. After that, bracket closed and enter. And here you can see in all cell the text is properly set and remove the all extra spaces. Okay, so I just drag this formula below the cell. So select all three cell and I just drag with the formula below the cell. And here you can see all other text also set properly in single space and all extra spaces is removed here. You can see all the text. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.